Making money online is not that difficult. Before the year ends or even 2025, I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can make money online as somebody who works a 9 to 5. I want to give you guys a massive welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm excited for this journey. And just like you I am out here trying to get monetized, get out of the 9 to 5 rat race, to have ownership over my time. I want to come with you with all the information that I know being in digital marketing and trying to make money online this year. These are literally the top 3 as a complete beginner and somebody who works a 9 to 5. You can crush it and start money online. My name is Roxy. Radiate with Roxy is a space to create ease and comfort for when it comes to making money online. I really want to tell you guys about the things that I was missing out on for a whole year, maybe even more, trying to create a business online. When you learn the right tools like SEO optimization, keywords, and research the way that it works for you, you can make money online. The first one that I found that maybe a lot of people don't know about it is UGC, user generated content. There are so many ways that you can make money from user-generated content, because right now a lot of brands and a lot of companies are actually just looking for regular people like you and I, who are not influencers and who literally can give them a content or a piece of content, and on top of that, you actually don't have to always show your face. You can be an unboxing UGC creator, you can be somebody who just does photos, but let me tell you, videos are where it's at. The other thing about user-generated content, UGC, is that you don't even have to post it on your social media. You pretty much give the content or the final package to the company or the brand, and then they use it to be able to promote it on their social media. I know it sounds too good to be true, but when you get deep into digital marketing and you start to see how difficult it is for businesses and companies to be able to create content, they rely on regular people to be able to create that content. And then think about it. Instead of paying thousands and thousands of dollars like we used to see in commercials, everything is on social media now. So what they'll do is they'll put out campaigns for regular people to shoot the content, make it very as wholesome and realistic as you can, or whatever they ask for, and then they will be the ones to put it on their platform. Don't sleep on UGC. If you guys want to hear more about UGC, please leave some comments down below and I'll start to do more videos about this. And when you're working a 9 to 5 or you're a stay-at-home mom, honestly, this is like perfect because you can create the content on your own time. Leave some comments down below if you want to kind of learn more about it. Now let's get into the second way that you can make money online if you are a busy stay-at-home mom, a busy 9 to 5, or just somebody who just has this crazy busy life but you want to learn how to make money online. The second way is through digital products. Digital products are either like ebooks, courses, guides, templates. These are all digital products. I do have a video that I posted on here, so I'll link it down below that you can check out, where I pretty much guide you how you can use ChatGPT to create a digital product. And I know, like, when you hear digital products, you're like, oh my gosh, it's like intimidating and you just don't know what to do. It really is just problem solution. If you have a problem that you've been able to solve over and over and over again, or people have asked you to create a digital product and share it, sometimes you can just share it for free and let it be a lead magnet, so that if you have another product that you can charge, you can push that out to them. Don't forget, Notion is a digital product, video tutorials are a digital product. All of these are digital products. But if you're kind of nervous and you're not sure how to create a digital product, there's something called master resell rights. And this is how I started my digital marketing journey, was through master resell rights, or PLR. Nowadays, they're kind of interchanged, but there is a little bit of a difference between them. MRR, master resell rights, all that means is that somebody gives you the license to resell their digital product. All of the work is done for you and you don't have to do it yourself at all. You could make some changes and adjustments to the digital product if it is allowed, But the best part is you have the license to resell it for 100% of the profit. If you're interested, I will leave links down below that have Master Resell Right digital products. These are my digital products. Crazy thing is like I've actually learned from a few of these and they've helped me out. Like I've been able to learn from them. I've been able to create content from them. And so that's an extra pointer right there. So if you've just been thinking about, if you're in this make money space and you know a lot but you're not sure how to even make content, get digital products and, you know, go over the digital product, learn from it, and then also share that information with your audience. So yes, digital products is one of the best ways that you can make money online while you work your 9 to 5. The third way that you can make money online, I've talked about this, that is affiliate marketing. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need a product. You literally don't need to have your own product, no inventory, nothing like that. Same as digital products, but affiliate marketing, what it is that you are promoting somebody else's products, and either there are already products that are selling or people are using. It already has a buzz to it pretty much. You're just sharing your unique link that links it back to you whenever anyone clicks on it or buys it, and then you're able to make a commission off that. In one of my previous videos, I did talk about Amazon Associate and Amazon On-Site Amazon influencer programs, which are great ways to start your affiliate marketing journey. Amazon has so many products, and you most likely, I mean, everyone has bought something from Amazon, so you could pick a product and just start promoting them. And a great way to promote them is through Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all the social media platforms. That is a great way to promote any of them, and you can do it without even showing your face. Getting started with affiliate marketing is really as simple as just signing up. Favorite, I think, if you're a complete beginner, is start with Amazon Associates or start with Amazon Influencer if you're able to get it. The cons about affiliate marketing is that it could take a little bit of time to see the revenue, but you have to keep going. You have to literally keep posting. And spoiler alert, another way that you can make money online right now, if you are seeing this November 2024, is, I'm just going to tell you right now, you need to get on to TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop affiliate program is definitely something that you want to get into, especially if you work a 9 to 5. Open up an account, a TikTok account, do a little bit of research, and just start searching TikTok Shop affiliate, okay? And people are making money on there. I'm on there, and I'm part of the TikTok Shop affiliate program, and I have been able to see increase my revenue from last month to this month on my TikTok Shop. And today is actually November the 1st, so September to October, it's increased. Stay tuned because I gotta make another video for you guys for TikTok Shop. That's pretty much it. So you got UGC, digital products, and affiliate marketing. If you want to start off and you just want to learn how to make money online, these are the three that are the most easiest to start generating income online as a complete beginner. Pick one to start off with. Maybe what I'll do, if you've stuck around till the end, I'm actually going to give you guys a list of UGC websites that I can find, UGC websites that I know of that you can literally sign up for or try to get in, because once you get in, you're gonna see how easy it is to start making money online. Thank you guys so much. I'm in this just like you, and I've been able to learn a lot, and I've been able to take action and apply a lot of the things that I have learned. I started off with a course. It's like it literally was able to show me how to market myself, how to show up, and just the different ways to make money online. So I'm super grateful. I'll leave the information if any of you guys are interested in the courses that I have. Thank you guys so much. And if you've stuck around till the end, please leave a comment down below. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm really trying to my goal is to monetize on YouTube. I want to be able to keep creating content. I want to be able to stay on trend. I want to be able to see what is new and upcoming. I want to be able to bring it to you, and I want to be able to help you. The information is what you need to get started, but everything lies in the transformation. And transformation really and truly comes from taking action. Thank you guys so much. Please leave a like below, subscribe below, leave a comment below. I really want the algorithm to be like, okay, let's push out our content, because there's so many people who need to understand and see that making money online is not as difficult as the gurus make it to be. It literally is one step at a time, one action at a time, and everyone can do this. And I think these 3 methods that I just shared are really the starting point that you need, and then later on you'll be able to see all the different ways there are to make money online, because it doesn't just end here. There's so many different ways that you can actually monetize your online social media presence, either showing your face or not showing your face. So again, thank you so much for staying with me here and watching this. I hope to see you in my next video. Leave a comment down below and just say hi. All right, bye guys, and I look forward to chatting with you next time. Bye.